This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. I knew you either hosted or something to do with Jay-Z and Kanye West. Tell me, what was that?
We did a couple parties with Hov. A couple parties. We did the Hard Knock Life after party at Gov, and it was crazy because I remember Memphis Bleak was looking for weed. And I sent him out. I'm like, yo, go get this guy weed real quick. Because that was our opportunity to bring the weed in there and meet those guys. So meeting Hov was smart, right? Because that guy is the GOAT to me. And we were able to do that a few times. And then Kanye was interesting because it was the Echo Fest after party. And I won't go too far with this, but we were playing G-Spot, Frequency on a Sunday, can't remember, Live there. And I think it was Ill Kids, Specs, and Jay, and maybe Baby You in there. And so Ludacris is in the building, Lil Jon's in the building. This is a Kanye West after party.
Yeah.
And so we're warming it up. We're playing, Ludacris records. We're playing Lil Jon records. Kanye walks in. We're like, all right, let this guy get settled in and let him get comfortable for a little bit, and then we'll go in a Kanye set. So as we're lining up the Kanye set, this guy grabs the mic. So as he grabs the mic, we're like, all right, we're going off now. We're kind of waiting to go into like a whole 40-minute Ye set. Yeah. This guy comes in wildin', B. This guy's talking like, what the fuck? I'm here. Kanye West is here. Y'all playing Ludacris. Y'all playing... And Luda and Lil Jon sitting right beside this guy, eh? Like, this guy's fucking wildin' at this point in time. And I'm like, me and my partner were like... Who's this guy talking to? And
the Toronto came right back in again.
Yeah. I'm like, buddy, like... Who are you talking to right now? And the guy was going off on the mic. He's like, I'm going to go to Lil X's party where they appreciate... And I just cut the man's mic. I'm like, lock off that. And I think I got on the mic and I was like, yo, who wants Kanye in this party? And I just started talking mad wild.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, get this motherfucker out of here. I said some crazy shit. I can't remember what it was, but I said something, and the promoter at that time comes running to me. He's like, what are you doing? I'm like, yo, fuck this. I don't need none of this shit. Like, nobody's disrespecting me. Like,
not
I don't
in
care
my
who it is.
city.
Not in my own city. I'm not, especially I'm not looking like a punk when I walk out of there. I think some pride was involved, and he stormed out of the party. Yeah. But he was on a ride, man. He went on the radio the next day. He went on a ride about something else, too. So he was just...
He was Kanye being Kanye, but at that time, I don't think he realized that Kanye was Kanye.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.